Hello friends, welcome to Entry. Here's Mr. Shambeg, your quant educator, and I have brought you good news for all the banking aspirants. What is the title? Look at the title. Supplementary advertisement for CRP Clerical 10. What does that mean? It means that once again IBPS has introduced or you can say that open the registration portal for all the aspirants who could not fulfill their forms according to the time restriction. So let's move on and let's see what the video suggests and what the details have been given in the IBPS website, so you can have a look at that. Here comes. Look at this. First, IBPS has increased its vacancy. Now it is going to open the link for all the banking aspirants again. So you can assume that more vacancies are on the line. So there is been a good news for all the banking aspirants. There might be a technical glitch, so they have given you an opportunity to fulfill your dreams once more. Look at the supplementary advertisement. What does that mean? It is for Clerical 10, which has been published in 1st September. You can look at this. It has been decided that the competent authorities to reopen the registration window and invite applications for online examination, preliminary and mains. So you have been entitled to fill the form for the clerical examination. Alright. Earlier the last date was given as 23rd of September, but those who could not fill the form between 2 September and 23 September. Okay, so you can fill it again because IBPS has decided to reopen the registration window for all the aspirants who could not fulfill. Only two conditions have been applicable. One is that the eligibility criteria has to fulfill according to 6th of November, according to the 6th of November 2020 details. Okay, who could not register successfully between 2 to 23rd September. So those who can fill that. Okay, those who have already filled it, don't worry about it, it's not for you. Okay. Alright, online registration including edit or modification application. That means again the window will open on 23rd of October and it will be open, it will remain open till 6th of November. So you can fulfill the form again between these durations. Alright, so it's a good news for all the aspirants. Those who wouldn't be able to fulfill that can fill this. Okay, the last date, eligibility, education qualification as per the previous notification. Okay, and okay, yes, dated on 1st of September. Before registering online, candidates are advised to read the detailed notification dated on 1st of September. So the notification, so the vacancy notification will be of the previous one. Yes, the vacancy has increased as we have already made the video on that, so you can go and look at this. Alright, so that's it from my side. You can visit the IBPS website and watch the notification. Alright, this is the same notification, I have put it here. So it's a good thing. Just start preparing for the examination. You know that your examination will be held in the December, so you don't have much time. Just keep preparing, keep practicing and keep watching Entry. Till then, thank you. Be safe.